Good morning, new week, new vlog. Spend a week with me getting everything ready for my course in the UK. First stop, Denpasar. Let's go. Wow, I'm absolutely sweating. Just come to get some buttonholes put in because my machine doesn't do them and they're all on the dinner, so let's get to taco. Absolutely, it's weltering. Just got to the big sewing shop. Getting all the pattern paper. This shop is huge, let me just show you a bit of it. Like all the buttons. This goes up to like more levels as well. I have my interfacing, some tape measures, buttons, little pens, needles, cutters, paper and the scissors all ready to go. This is the current mess. I'm cutting my patterns for the course. Just pack some ready. Just got to do 2 more and then I've got to do the little booklets for them all and my neck is killing. Wish me luck. Good morning. I decided to just wash and do my hair today, seeing as I always have a terrible hair day on this YouTube channel. And not for any reason other than acting busy at my desk all day. I have to make booklets for my patterns ready to send to the printers. So that's it for today. Let's see what else we get up to. Here's the current mess of the patterns last night. Just gonna have to make some instructions and then get it printed off. Quick little dinner stop. Let me show you. My poutine, all round favourite, and a chunky white cookie. So this is the day before Nepi and the weather is really bad. We're just going to go and watch the massive statues that I showed you today. They're doing like a little parade. Last year we got there like 3 hours early, so hopefully we've not missed it. Let's go and see what we can find. I'm so tired. It's 10 o'clock. My suitcases are packed. I'm just tracing one more pattern. Feeling stressed. Flight's been cancelled. The lot. So I now have to do a big, massive round trip. They've put me on Singapore Airlines and I'm going to Amsterdam, Germany, and then Manchester. And I've had to do this, look. Little airport outfit ready. So I've got my creator bag with all my drone camera and everything in. Laptop will go in. Then I've got my huge suitcase full of my stuff. And then I've got another little hand luggage there, as you can see. So you're only allowed 1 hand luggage and I've got 2 because they lost my suitcase last time and my flight's been cancelled, and the last thing I want is my suitcase going missing because my first course in Liverpool is on Tuesday, and if my case goes missing with all these patterns, I don't have a course and then I've got to refund thousands of pounds. So this is where I'm at. I'm having to trace everything 3 or 4 times, put a pile in my little trolley suitcase, electricals on my back, and hopefully a big smile will get my case through. And if not, it's going to cost me a few £100. But I'm already making a claim because of the cancelled flights. But at least we're going on the same day, so we move. Tomorrow is going to be eventful. Let's see where we end up. Let's see if we get stranded in the airport. This is all new to me. It's my second time flying on my own. I've never had a flight cancelled before. I keep going to check in and it's saying error, please check later. It's been 12 hours, still saying error. But anyway, we're packed. I've got 2 more patterns to do and it is a wrap. So come back tomorrow. Let's see where we end up. Can't speak German and can't speak Dutch, so hopefully we don't get stranded. Bye. Just on my way to the airport and let's see if they charge me for the second bag. Got my backpack with all my stuff in it and the little kids. Just waiting on the pizza. Pizza's now arrived. Yummy. Flight number 4. I'll be glad when this is over. Oh, 24 hours later, I've been around the world and back. I feel fresh actually, because I got not extra leg room. I paid for extra leg room, but because the flight got cancelled, I complained and no one was sat next to me, so I've actually got peasant class but got put my feet up as well. So I got through passport control super quick in England, and my dad actually wasn't there on time. Well, he was, but he was still walking down, and I got dead angry because I was trying to rush. And yeah, Cadbury's cream egg, Hoops. Oh, big girl. Hello.
Big girl, hello.
Hello.
I'm going to the bank.
So goodbye. I'm off to my grandma's. Just going bank with my dad to get some strange looks round here because there isn't any vloggers really in Bolton. But yeah, this is where I'm from. Look how dead it is. What kind of town centre's this? Is that good? Marks and Spencer's shut down. I mean, God, blimey. Even the bank's bloody empty. Feeling a little bit like spacey. I keep thinking it's Saturday tomorrow and trying to sort out my hire car, and oh yeah. We moved, darling, we moved. Not feeling so energised now. Just got my grandma's. Hi! Where are you? Hello, I'm the vet. Hello.
Oh, you look nice, love.
Oh, look at you, you crazy hair. You windswept. Nice home cooked dinner off my grandma. Lovely. Time for an Easter egg. Sorry, Gary, but all this. Oh yeah, look, it's me eating really unhealthy again. Just going feeding the fox with my granny. She's giving it. What are you giving it?
Some lamb.
She's giving it the lamb. She did us lamb, but she bought like a massive one.
Lamb.
So she's giving.
Lamb.
Thought that was a snake and remembered I'm not in Bali. Ooh. I'm scared. We get attacked now by ducks. It's coming up. Might have kids. Whoa, they've proper ran. Grandma, guppy swans. Oh God, I'm scared. How do you know it comes here?
You come in the morning, this is the front.
Bless you. The fox spot.
Don't smell that a mile off.
Well done, Patsy, love, you're so kind.
I know I am. I love foxes.
Mother Nature.
I love foxes.
It's my dad just sorting stuff out for my grandma. I'm the boss round here. Just having a look at my grandma's garage and look at this. The fashion in sport. What is this?
It's an Indian outfit with a dress.
Oh, it's super heavy. Just...
I can't hold it.
Okay, film it. Wow. Just on my way to a crochet lesson, upping my skills, you know, I really want to learn crocheting. Let's go. Just got packed, I've got a few minutes and then I should be there, so let's hurry up and get there. Do you want a drink? So, I'm okay, thank you. Just arrived at the shop, ready to do my little class. These are all little knits, I'm sure I'll understand what they are after. Cute.
This is just like a quick, easy guide to...
This is my little creation so far.
Look out.
And this is the little end result, how cute. So now I need practice. I'm absolutely freezing, but I had a really good little class. Now I'm learning how to crochet. Bought this little kit. Oh, I'm so cold, my hands are freezing. Got this little crochet kit. So you can make the granny squares and the little stick. It's not actually as easy as it looks. I made this. This looks easy, but it's really fiddly, and I kept double looping. I've got my little booklet, so seeing as I've got like another 24-hour flight home, I've got plenty of practicing. I was going to go to the fabric shop in Manchester, but I realised that they close on Saturday and open on a Sunday, so I'm going to go to Blackburn, but I'm just going to go and get a butty first because I'm starving, you know. So yeah, let's make a move. Goodbye. Just been to Marks and Spencer to get myself some gluten-free dinner. I used to live off these Madagascan yogurts. Some gluten-free sausage rolls, nice and healthy. Chocolate eclair, salmon and roasted, it's better than chippy for tea, and a gluten-free sandwich for dinner. Just arrived at the fabric shop. I feel exhausted. I'm not really in the mood for fabric shopping, to be honest. I feel like I've had a super busy day. Let's go and see what we can find. I'm not going to go overboard today. I went a bit crazy last time. Just going to get exactly what I need. So yeah, let's go. As you can see, there's so much to choose from. Just got to pick around 30 metres. We've still got some left over from last time. So pretty. Just getting ready. I'm vlogging. Just getting ready to go the wholesalers in Manchester for extra material, and then I'll be getting everything ready for my first course on Tuesday. Just come to get some more fabric. The biggest fabric shop ever. Just come for a Sunday dinner because I've been craving a proper roast English Sunday dinner. Let's go and check it out. So here's Uncle Mark. Say hello, Mark. Hi, Natalie. Look at mine. I've got a man-sized portion going on here. It's been a while.
Sunday dinner.
Sunday dinner. And here's my tea finished. lovely meal and catch up with Mark and Natalie, and it's always better when someone else pays. Thank you, Mark. And now just getting all my stuff ready for the Liverpool course. Send help. Have my gorgeous fabric for Liverpool event tomorrow. Now let's go to Janome. Exciting! Woo! So excited! The car is full of sewing machines right from Janome HQ. Janome, however you say it, but straight from the HQ. Now, road trip to Liverpool. Let me just move this. This is my song. I've been around the world and I can't find my place in. Anyway, just arrived at the Liverpool location. Got to meet the manager because she's not in tomorrow, so I know where I'm going. Meanwhile, everything's in the car, so hopefully it's going to be okay. Let's go and have a look. This is our cute little room, tea and coffee. Ready for tomorrow, and I'll show you it all set up tomorrow. So cute! Now it's time for tea at Gary's mum and dad's, and I have homemade chips. Look at them. Nice brown, crispy, and as Gary says, half a bottle of brown sauce. Lovely! We're having a bad day. I'm tired because I've finished my course, but I am super excited. Feels like Christmas. Oh, my mouth's watering. I have got my caribou poutine, chips, steak, cheese curds. Wow! Oh my god, man! And a proper fat can. Let's give it a taste. Can't tell you how much I've missed this. Are we ready? Oh my god, I hope it's as good as it was. Well, this is just the chips. It's cold, but it'll do. Mmm. Big steak pieces. Banging. Just finishing my shirt, ready to wear on my 5-day course. My Gary's dad's watching telly. Just in my airport lounge, having a nice glass after the week of Karen that I had, and yeah, just enjoying my chill time before my flight. As soon as I get Bali, I've got 1,010,000 things to do. Back to work and being busy. So I'll just enjoy my little flight. Hopefully no delays, no cancellations, and yeah.